Howdy Wall Street, Willie. What are assets? Assets are anything you own that has value or can be sold to earn money. This includes tangible or physical assets like a house, car, jewelry, etc., and intangible assets such as stocks, bonds, patents, etc. Some assets like stocks or gold are liquid, meaning they can easily be sold for cash. Others, like real estate or art, are illiquid since it's difficult or time-consuming to sell them. The value of an asset is how much cash it can be sold for, and this amount can change over time. For example, if real estate prices increase, the value of your house will go up, making it more valuable. However, if the stock market goes down, then the value of your stocks will decrease, making them less valuable. While assets like a house or stocks can appreciate or depreciate in value, there are other assets like a car that usually only depreciate in value over time. What are liabilities? Liabilities are the opposite of assets. They are debts and obligations that you owe to others. This includes all loans such as mortgages, car loans, student loans, and even credit card balances. Just like assets, a liability's value can also change over time. For example, if you pay off part of your mortgage every month, its value will decrease as you'll owe less over time. Can something be both an asset and a liability? Yes. For example, a home is considered an asset because it can be sold for money. However, if you took out a mortgage to buy that home, the mortgage is a liability until it's paid off. Why is it important to understand assets and liabilities? Understanding your assets and liabilities is the first step to calculating your net worth. Net worth is what provides you a clear picture of your overall financial health, which is crucial for managing your money effectively. To learn more about net worth, watch the video on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.